In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account password. First, navigate to your Gmail app and click it. Right here, locate the topmost right corner where you see this icon and click it. Proceed to manage your Google account. Then from there, locate this security and click it. Now scroll down till you locate password and click it. Proceed to enter your existing password. This is just to verify whether you are the same person using the device. And hit next. After that, you can enter your new Gmail account password. Confirm it again. While this is done, you can proceed to change password. Now, Gmail is telling us that you will stay signed in on some devices. So you can proceed to OK, change password. When you click this, you have successfully changed your Gmail account password. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.